Hi, Eva. Sure, I can help you. Okay, we have 4 times 10 to the 3 divided by 8 times 10 to the 5. So you can do this one of two ways, using the exponent laws or expanding and then doing the math. So I'll do the exponent laws way first. Take a look here at the numbers. What is 4 divided by 8? So 4 divided by 8 is 0.5. It's a half. Then you're going to do the same math to your exponents. When you divide, you end up subtracting the exponents. So what you end up with is times 10, and then it's 3 subtract 5. So 0.5 times 10 to the negative 2. So if you write that, that's in scientific notation. If you write that, well, actually it's not, 5.0 times 10 to the negative 3 would be scientific notation, because you have to have a non-zero number in front of the decimal. So this would be in standard notation 0.005. And if you use your calculator, that's the number you get. So the other way to do it, to expand, would be 4. So the positive 3 here tells us that the decimal place is moved 3 spots, and it's positive, so it's a big number. So 4,000, so our decimal would go there. So then 8 times 10 to the 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have moved the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. So put that in your calculator and you get 0.005. Now, depending on your calculator, there is a trick to putting in these times 10 into your calculator. So if this is your calculator, what you need to do is you type in 4, and then you hit this button, and it should insert for you times 10, but you don't type anything else. You don't type that. What you do is you type the number, the exponent. So in this case 3. So that's what it's going to, that's how you put it into this type of calculator. So that would be 4,000. And then when you go to divide, you're going to say divide by, then you're going to put in your 8, and then this hat, and then 5, and then equals, and that should give you 0.005. If not, go in and put brackets in when you do your division. So 4 times 10, or 4 hat, 3, divided by bracket, 8 hat, 5, and a bracket equals. If your calculator looks like these, you're going to be using the EXP or the EE button. If it's an EE button, it says EE on it, but it's the exact same thing as before. You want, let's make this red. Okay, so those are the two buttons, and it's the same thing. You type in the number, so you would type in your 4, then you would hit the EXP, and depending on the type of display, it'll either show you times 10, or it'll be a space, and then your exponent. I forget what the number is, 3, I think. And then you would do divide by, and then 8 EXP 5 equals. Hope that helps. You can change your calculator setting to scientific or standard notation. For this one here, it's with the sect setup. This one up here, I think it's the mode. Okay, hope that helps.